Hello guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. Today what I'm gonna do to my new 11 Gen hatchback Civic is put in the red emblems. Here's the front and the part number, and this one is the back with the part number. This is from the type R, FL5. It'll fit any hatchback of 11 Gen. I don't know if it fits on the coupe or the sedan, so yeah, pretty much this is how it looks in package, and I'll show you how it looks out of the package. So this is how it looks out of the package. For now it's windy outside, so I try my best to cancel out the wind, but let's see how it turns out for my Civic. So what I did, I masked the emblem around it, so I tried not to scratch it as much as I can. I as well have a heat gun to heat it up and to see if it takes out easily with the heat gun. So it took off easily with the heat gun. It's just 3M tape attached to it, so it came out fast and perfect. I'll save this for the future just in case I want to put it back, but that's how it looks. No scratch, no nothing. Now I just need to clean all this extra 3M tape so I can install the new one. I'm using regular rubbing alcohol and a towel so I can clean the residue that is left around the whole emblem so I can install the new one. What I use is the knifeless string to start it up to make it lift the emblem. After that I use my heat gun to heat it up, so the adhesive of the 3M tape that has on around it, I just started pulling it out easily, slowly, until the whole thing came out. Do your own method. If you like this one, do it. If not, do it how you feel it's gonna be right for you. Now that it's clean all around, it's time to put the new emblem. It looks nice and shiny from the video. Alright, after that we take out the whole rest, sit it down, and wait for 3 days so the adhesive can get stuck to the material, so you don't have no problem. So that's how it looks from the back for both sides. For the rear one, it's in fit perfectly. This one I got it from an OEM website for Honda. It took up to 2 weeks to get them, so it's the original part, like I did to my others 10 Gen hatch. So this is the end result for the rear emblem. Now I'm gonna start in the front and take out the other one. It might be windy when I record the front, so sorry about that for advance. It looks really nice. I already did posture, but you gotta be careful if you still want this emblem. If not, you can just yank it off, but just be careful. I'm being careful not to hit the top, so I'm doing it from the side. So I'm gonna continue it and I'll show you when I'm done with it. So in the end, I broke mine. Either ways, I can find a new one later on. Because of these, we're holding it really tight, so that's pretty good. So yep, so there you have you guys. The front emblem is installed. You don't have to take out the original emblem to fit this one, because this one's a bit bigger and it's meant for the Type R grill, so it's barely on it, so it's gonna fit slightly in. Hopefully the adhesive 3M tape grabs perfectly, but so far it looks pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie, but you're not gonna notice, people are not gonna notice, but it looks pretty good. But if you really want this emblem, the back actually fits perfect for the rear emblem. But if you do want this emblems, it's the part numbers are down the description. So yeah, hopefully video helps for you guys. Until next time.